Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today, we're diving into the real issues that EV owners face, which are often overshadowed by the hype. From reliability concerns to rising costs and a developing charging network, it's crucial to understand the top 7 challenges before making the switch to electric vehicles. Let's get started. Number 7. Cold weather challenges. Electric vehicles face significant challenges in cold weather, often overlooked by potential buyers. Low temperatures can severely impact battery performance and overall driving experience. Cold weather reduces EV range significantly. A 2024 AAA study shows EVs can lose up to 41% of their range in freezing temperatures due to decreased efficiency of lithium-ion batteries. Cold slows chemical reactions in the battery, reducing energy output and increasing charging times. EVs also drain their batteries faster in winter due to electric cabin heaters, unlike internal combustion engine vehicles that use engine heat. Regenerative braking, designed to recover energy and extend range, may also be less effective and riskier in icy conditions. Charging times can increase in cold weather, with rates dropping by up to 50%, according to a 2024 Electric Vehicle Association report. This makes long trips more challenging. For those in colder regions, understanding these issues is crucial for making an informed decision about EV ownership. The reduced range, higher energy use, and safety concerns necessitate careful planning and adaptation. Number 6. Software updates and tech dependency. EV buyers should be cautious about their heavy reliance on software updates and technology. Modern electric vehicles are like computers on wheels, using advanced software for everything from battery management to infotainment. While this tech brings benefits, it also introduces potential problems. A major concern is the need for frequent software updates, which can fix bugs and improve performance, but may also cause new issues, as noted by a 2024 Consumer Reports study. Dependence on over-the-air updates requires a reliable internet connection and tech skills, which can be inconvenient for some. Additionally, rapid technological obsolescence can affect a vehicle's lifespan and resale value. Unlike traditional cars, EVs may need specialized repairs, leading to higher maintenance costs and fewer repair options. In summary, while EV technology has advantages, the frequent updates, potential software issues, and fast-paced obsolescence are factors to carefully consider. Number 5. Battery recycling and environmental impact. Electric vehicles are praised for their environmental benefits, but battery production and disposal raise concerns. Although EVs themselves emit no pollutants, their lithium-ion batteries have significant environmental drawbacks. Mining lithium, cobalt, and other minerals for these batteries is resource-intensive and often harmful to the environment, with mining typically occurring in regions with weak regulations. Additionally, recycling lithium-ion batteries is problematic. Only about 5% are effectively recycled, according to a 2024 International Energy Agency report. The rest may end up in landfills, where they can contaminate soil and water. Recycling is also costly and inefficient, as technology is still developing. As battery tech advances, recycling becomes more challenging, affecting the overall environmental impact of EVs. Buyers should consider these life cycle issues when evaluating the sustainability of EVs. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now, let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Number 4. Depreciation woes. The electric vehicle market is facing a depreciation crisis that's hard to ignore. While all new cars lose value quickly, EVs depreciate at an alarming rate. The rapid pace of technological advancements means last year's models can quickly become outdated, with new EVs offering better range and features. This makes older models seem obsolete and less desirable. Battery life is another major factor. As EV batteries degrade over time, their reduced capacity and high replacement costs contribute to lower resale values. For instance, the Mercedes-Benz EQS and Nissan Leaf, despite their advanced features, have seen significant drops in value. Unlike traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, which depreciate more slowly and maintain a strong resale market, EVs can lose their value much faster. Therefore, potential buyers should carefully consider the long-term financial impact before purchasing an EV. Number 3. Reliability concerns. Reliability is a major concern for electric vehicles, despite having fewer moving parts. EVs face their own maintenance challenges, making traditional internal combustion engine cars seem more dependable. For example, drive units, crucial for performance, often encounter problems, from unusual noises to outright failures. Batteries, the core of an EV, can degrade unpredictably, reducing range and increasing replacement costs. Additionally, advanced software in EVs can lead to glitches and system failures, creating safety and usability issues. Build quality can also be subpar, with issues like poor construction and misaligned panels. So, while EVs eliminate oil changes, they introduce their own set of reliability issues, making their dependability a complex issue to navigate. Number 2. Inadequate charging infrastructure. One major hurdle for electric vehicles is the underdeveloped charging infrastructure. Despite their eco-friendliness and growing popularity, charging an EV can be a significant hassle, especially outside EV-friendly regions like California. The current charging network is sparse and unreliable compared to gas stations. In rural areas or less invested regions, finding a charger can be challenging. Even when chargers are available, issues like out-of-order equipment, payment failures, and long wait times can make the experience frustrating. With standard chargers taking hours and a fragmented network of apps and payment systems, using public chargers can be a logistical nightmare. Without a home charger, reliance on public infrastructure can be even more stressful. Until the charging network improves, traditional ICE vehicles might remain a more convenient option. Number 1. The true cost of ownership. The EV craze may be cooling off due to the hidden costs of ownership. While charging an EV at home is cheaper than gas, other expenses can add up quickly. EVs wear out tires faster due to their weight and torque, leading to more frequent replacements. Additionally, insurance for EVs is often higher because repairs are costly and require specialized skills and parts. Repairing complex EV components like batteries and electronics can be expensive, and finding qualified mechanics can drive up costs. Moreover, EVs generally have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional vehicles, even with incentives. So, while EVs sound appealing, the true costs may make sticking with a traditional ICE vehicle a smarter choice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Piston Pundit so you don't miss out on future vehicle updates and upcoming content. See you next time.